Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's going on YouTube? In today's video, we will be POV driving this Porsche Cayenne. And yeah, it's a diesel car. So yeah, I hope y'all gonna enjoy it. It's a little different than what I usually do. It's like, I'm not fucking gay. What? I like girls, come on. I got for the steering wheel. If you want yourself one, DM me on Instagram. I can get you a steering wheel just like this. We got all different type of modes. And I just got off work. And it's Friday, so you know I'm ready to goddamn dogs and shit. Fuck that shit out. The car is still cold though. Can't be doing too much. I'm just playing. We're in Mexico. And it's my stunt driver driving, Trayvon. As always, y'all boys know, man, I don't drive my car. I just have it. Good old Trayvon, man. Good old Trayvon. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, I had to just throw a little clip in real quick. Look at this beautiful nature, man. Look at the view, like sunrise, sun go down, whatever. You know what I'm saying? SRT wheel, you feel me? Use this clip as manifestation. If you're watching this video because you're trying to get a Hellcat, matter of fact, any car, I really pray you get it, and I really hope you stay down, you stay true to yourself, and you keep working, and you're gonna get it. I'm just playing. You broke as fuck. You're never gonna get it. Just give up, bro. Time to hit the exit, man. Fuck you blinking at, foe. He mad as fuck in the back. I don't give a fuck. He wasn't mad. I think he was just laughing. I think he was trying to hear the car. Something though, like there's something about this car. Especially if you're in Europe, people they gonna love it. Like they don't see this shit. They don't see a charger. They don't even see like a V6 charger. And then if they see a Hellcat, they go crazy about it. Who's that? That's 12? It's not 12. Oh, y'all hear it. My brother, man, my brother. Okay, he don't follow me. That means that's not police. Y'all gotta be smart with it. If y'all get a car like this in Switzerland, in Europe, you know that's straight. You gotta be smart with it. Yeah, he said weekend, cause it's the weekend. somebody weird behind me again, so we gonna bust a little 360, shawty. Bust a little 360. Is he still behind me? He actually is. Oh, he not. Good God, bro. I see your lights, like down. That was like half gas, like 50% toggle. Something like that. Sounds like, This shit is tragic. It's scary, bro. This shit is scary. Bro, I'm floating like. It's actually scary. Appreciate it. What am I saying? Trying to get copyrighted now.
Blitzeranhänger in 150 Metern.
What's that? What kind of sound effect is that? What does that even mean? What? I don't even speak German. What does it mean? So how y'all day been? Talk to me. Ooh. That's a G90? Is that a G90? I see how quick I get sideways. Damn, I ain't gonna count. Like, I don't have a place to drift for real out here. Like, it's not really a place to learn how to drift. And I ain't gonna count. I still need to learn how to like feel the goddamn, like, you know what I'm saying? Like how to like. How much I gotta press the gas for it to start actually spinning, you see what I'm saying? It's just something I gotta learn. I wish I had the opportunity to drift out here, like start learning how to drift. But you know, my stunt driver, he don't really has that opportunity right now. But if you want me to learn how to drift, I'll make a whole video about it. But you gotta subscribe. Like, you gotta go ahead and subscribe right now. And yeah. Also, give me like give me a little advice, or give me a little tip. Pause. Give me a little advice. I like to say, give me a little tip, cause it just sound gay. It just sound gay. Don't give me a tip. Give me an advice. So, what's going on here, mate? Mate, are you fucking dumb, mate? I guess, bro. What are you doing? Like, what? Oh, my fault. sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to get sassy out here. Jesus Christ. God damn. This is like a big ass place, but that's private property, so we can't really do nothing out there. But yeah, you hear me? Bro, why are y'all driving so damn slow? Like, what the fuck? Yeah, bro, nah, I don't know. I just love this car, bro. Like, it's just nothing better. I don't know. Bro, if you gave me the same amount of money in cash right now, I'd buy the same shit again. And I ain't gonna care. I got a little plans, you know what I'm saying? I got a little something planned. And I'm gonna just tell you something. In a couple years, sooner or later, there's gonna be another and a new Hellcat on this channel. And y'all gonna have to wait, because that shit is gonna be something else. I'm trying to tell y'all right now. If you're trying to see that, go ahead and subscribe. The more you subscribe, the faster it happens. More people of y'all, they gonna go down there and subscribe real quick. Oh no, what the fuck? The faster this shit gonna happen. This some dumbass shit. Who puts a fucking goddamn... Bro, who puts a shield here? Like, what? It's oncoming traffic and it's a turn, so people not gonna see you. You see what I'm saying? So I feel like that's just a fucking stupid thing to do, dude. Like, I don't fucking know, but you guys can tell me in the comments the dumbest shit y'all state or y'all county has in y'all village. You know, I feel like that's some dumbass shit, dude. Hellcat Kenny, I'm a Hellcat Kenny, I'm a fucking you feel me? But yeah, YouTube, man. If you like the video, like if you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna tell you every single time. If you watching this video and you're like, oh yeah, this is like, if you watch all the way to here, you was obviously entertained with the video. You see what I'm saying? And if you not subscribe or like, if you don't subscribe or like right now, you just a hater. You just a hater. I ain't gonna cap. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Go tell me in the comments what type of video, POV type of video y'all trying to see. Y'all want to see me learn how to drift? Y'all want to see me go on the German Autobahn and just like go like 200 miles? Go comment real quick. But yeah, I'm basically out.